In this modules, we will talk about examples of cultural hybridization. Mixing of Asian, African, American, European, Pakistani, Indian, and other cultures. Cultural hybridization refers to the fluid end of relations between cultures. Distinctiveness of different cultures is not emphasized. Formation of global culture. So, if we talk about mixing of all the cultures like Asian, African, American, European, and other cultures, we see that the cultures which are more dominated are those cultures which used to have their colonies in the past, and today they are intervening on in the same colonies in the name of culture, and making that cultural hybridization possible through their lens. Although, as we learned in our different slides, previous slides, that this cultural hybridization is giving way to the cultures of developing world, that they can introduce it at international level owing to the globalization. But we see that developed world has an advantage owing to its developed resources, that they introduce their cultural values more rapidly in other parts of the world as compared to the developing part of the world. Creole languages, blend of different languages, as we know that. For example, Louisiana Creole is an amalgamation of African, French, and English languages. So, if you remember that Urdu is also an amalgamation of different languages. It comes from Arabic, Persian, Punjabi, English, and Arabic also. So this is how amalgamation of languages is going on to have that cultural hybridization. Global food chain restaurants that I earlier mentioned, they are also modifying their menus of global restaurants. For example, in India, due to religious prohibitions on eating beef, the Maharaja Mac, that is transformed from McDonald's Big Mac, they named it according to the local values, that Maharaja's Mac, because they don't eat beef or mutton, being vegetarian Hindu society, they localized it in that way, that they are calling it Maharaja Mac to that McDonald's Big Mac. It is made with a chicken or vegetable patty. Martial arts films. The martial art films in the United States integrates the elements of Asian culture according to the taste of the audience. Electronic dance music, initiated in the United States in 1980 and then became popular in Germany and other parts of the world. So it all happened because of the cultural hybridization. Before this process of globalization, there was no concept of cultural hybridization. So we may say that globalization is a driving force for cultural hybridization.